Alright, so we're heading back from rallying the Festiva. You heard me right, rallying. You're going to want to stick around and watch this video, because this car can handle on the dirt. It's not supposed to, I know. It's the most un-rally car doing rally things. I've watched plenty of rally content. Matter of fact, I follow all the local rally shows. I know about rally a tad bit. Is this a rally car? It's not. But it is pretty impressive for what it can do. Factory suspension, mud terrain tires, and a 2-inch lift in the front. I haven't done the rear lift yet. You're going to want to stick around to check this stuff out. I am blown away by the capabilities of this car in its factory condition. By the way, Dylan, we're going to need a better cage, because I want to do more power. I have the roof rack, it just needs to go on. This car with 50 more horsepower, while maintaining its current weight, legitimately able to enter a rally race and legitimately compete. And if the howling of those tires doesn't tell you how awesome this video is going to be, you're just going to have to stick around and find out. Here's a real test on the new tires. First corner, let's see. Oh yeah, better than before. Bit of a jump. Ooh, a little bit of rubbing. Almost got the rabbit, but I didn't. It's his lucky day now. You guys don't know. You just don't know what monstrosity of a damn car this is. Lost my water.
quick, it's kind of funny. I passed this dude mid-slide, and he literally mouths WTF while giving me the most hilarious look.
All right, we're heading out of here. Let's see if we can scare the shit out of anybody else. Blind corner, so I won't take it fast because there is traffic on this road. Say how planted this car is, even at 70 miles an hour. It's pretty planted. Good braking, good control. That's the good stuff. The next thing that's got to get fixed or corrected on this is when you have more than a half a tank of fuel, it reeks of fuel in here. So if I were to ever roll this, I know that I'm going to be drenched in fuel. So safety first, that's the next fix on the Ford Festiva rally car. So driving back now has got me thinking. It was raining earlier today, and with a little bit of rain we got, I'm gonna need a snorkel. So I think that's another upgrade we should consider for the Ford Festiva rally car, is we're gonna have to snorkel it. Here we are on the highway, doing 65. It goes pretty straight. We got a little bit of a wobble, but you know what? Not too bad for an 88 Ford Festiva on mud terrains. Appreciate you guys tuning in to the Ford Festiva rally video. If you like this video and you think I'm an idiot, definitely give me a thumbs up and subscribe, because I got way more planned for this build.